Hello, it's Omar from TradingVerse. This is the tutorial about MetaTrader 5, and we have first of all to start how to find MetaTrader 5. So you can find MetaTrader 5 through metatrader5.com or through your broker. So if you are planning to use a broker who provides MetaTrader 5, you can find the broker, and for my case, we are going to use IC Market Broker, and we will use IC Market MetaTrader 5. So mainly, their functions are the same. The difference is the symbol broker installed in his customized MetaTrader 5. So let's go. We have to first of all go and download IC Market MetaTrader 5, not necessarily being IC Market as told. So you can choose IC Market MetaTrader 5, you see, and you see MetaTrader 5 platform here. In platform, MetaTrader 5 is recommended, and you can choose it. So we already downloaded it, and we are going to go how to install it. Yes, we have to go in downloads, and this is MetaTrader 5. Yes, we are having a MetaTrader 5 from IC Markets. Yes, let's install it. Click yes, and then we have to hit next. Okay, then click finish. It's finished to install. So after finishing installing it, it will immediately pops up. The next will be to input our demo or live account. If you already opened the live account from IC Market, you can import your live account logins here, or just connect to it. By this moment, we are going to use demo, and by now we already have our demo account. Let us log in. Yes, login and password as provided by broker, and then click finish, and then click finish.
Incoming mail.
Now we are inside MetaTrader 5. This is the dashboard when first you entered or after installing MetaTrader 5. So first of all, navigate into MT5 as you see by now, and go to the main buttons and the main functions, because MetaTrader 5 is big, so we can't just dive into everything. So we have to choose the basic ones, and we will prepare the advanced tutorial when it will be necessary. It will depend on your request. So first of all, we are having the menu bar with different options, and we have different quick buttons as you see here on the top. And simply we have a file view, insert, chart, tools, and window, and help. So from here you see algo trading for automated traders. You see this is market watch, and you see here most of the things. These are trading tools. Here it's time frames. Yes, I think you know time frames. These are the different types of chart. We can have the candlesticks, which are this, and we can have the bar charts and the line charts, zoom, windows, when you want to display different windows which are opened as you see here in this down bar, and you can see these are the candlesticks and many more. So here you can customize the buttons here. First you have to come here on the bottom and right click and customize. You can move the buttons from left side to right side, or reduce the visible buttons from right side to the left side, and click insert, and then you click insert. Also you can just remove them by clicking them. For instance, clicking them and remove. You see when I insert it, yes, when I insert something, for instance this is the period, insert it, you see here it's period, and when I remove it, you see period disappear. So this is how it works. This is the first. So the second, you can change the visibility of the window. So as you see here, you can change. You see there is a grid line. You can create, just hit Ctrl G and grid line disappear, and you can interchange by candlesticks, by clicking here candlesticks or bar charts. But what's popular for the traders is for using candlesticks. So by this now, we can change and customize the visibility of these candlesticks, and the main window, the main chart window can be customized and saved as template. How? We have to right click and go to properties, and then customizing window will appear. So we can change, for instance, having background from a black, for instance, to this color, which is let me choose blue. You can change it to blue, and you see it will be blue in color. And we can also return to properties. We can just change how the visibility of the candlesticks to the conventional candlesticks. You see they are gold. So if you want to change them to gold, and it will be gold having the black background and gold foreground, and the grid lines which are yellow or gold color, we can have, for instance, it's popular that the bars up or the bullish candlesticks are green, and we can then you can convert them to green, and red for bearish candlesticks, green, and red, yes, red, and you see, and let's have this graduation which are white, and then click OK. You see it's customized the foreground and the chart in different colors. Yes, this is how it works, and we can save this as template. Okay, we have to come here and go to customize. We can see the templates if it's not already, and then insert it. And after inserting it, we have to come here and save template. So we can save our template, for instance here, template for TVH, TradingVerseHub, of course, and then save. Okay, all right, this is saved. For instance, if we change the chart to a new chart, we can load the template like this and load the template. Our template is template name TVH, and then click OK. Yes, our template is already loaded. You can shift the chart by clicking here and having our chart, lefting some space here, maybe for analysis or for drawing, and many comments on the charts, maybe it can be necessary, and this is how it works. So let's move to drawing tools. This is the tab for drawing tools. You can customize it and insert many more drawing tools, for instance Fibonacci time zones, and add them. You see Fibonacci are visible here. We can add like something like Fibonacci expansion. You can click on it and then insert. You see Fibonacci expansion, and we can add the one which is popular. It's a rectangular tool, and insert. So if you want to drag, for example, if it's a zone, for instance, let's draw a zone here. You can just come here with a rectangle and then double click on it. And then properties, and you can change the color and change it, for instance, to this color, and then hit OK. You can also go and make it fill instead of single line, and you see it will be a rectangle with fill color. So this is how to draw an object. There are different objects and the way of editing and customizing the object. And also as well, you can just save this as template and save again. Yes, and all of these are saved. So let's continue. You can just install new custom indicator, or install a new custom expert advisor. So first of all, you have to come here to navigator. Remember, if navigator is not disappearing by default, you can customize it by adding it through customize and add it from left to right, and come here to indicators. This is the case you are going to add the indicator on the chart. So for instance, it's moving average, adaptive moving average. You can drag and drop inside the chart and then hit OK. The indicator will disappear and be drawn on the chart. You can double click on the indicator and the setting window will appear, and then you can choose the settings. For instance, rate change period to 50, for example, and see how the change is looking. Yeah, you see it changed. This is how to add the indicator. The same to the expert advisors, or for mostly known for robots. It's the same. For instance, if it's this robot, have it to drag and drop inside the chart or double click. For both of the indicators and the expert advisors, you can double click on them. Also, it works. It wrote the indicators on the chart. Okay, that's cool. And the expert advisor is added. You can come here and click on it and see the properties, and you can change the properties including the inputs and many more settings. You can customize them here on this appearing window. Okay, well, so we are going to how to open new order. There are numerous ways you can open a new order inside MetaTrader 5. The first, you see here new order button. You click on it, and then you see there are different types of orders: market execution, limit orders, stop orders, stop limit orders. So let's go for market execution. You see, you can choose the lot size, what most of the people know as lot size, or volume, or position size, whatever you can choose. For instance, if you are going to go by, say, you have the stop loss above, let us set the stop loss. For instance, adding some pips. Okay, and let's have the take profit, and then save the market. You see, order is added. So you can just drag the stop loss above and below, however you want. This is how order is added through that button. Okay, we can also, by clicking on the toolbox, we can disable the opened position by just click on this button, and then you see it will disappear. And this toolbox comes from this icon, is connected to this icon, and when you click it, and it appears like this. So let's continue by another second method of opening trading, and we have just to hit right click and then come here to new order, and then after clicking new order, we will find, yes, how to click new order. And after clicking new order, you can choose the limit order, stop order, or just stop limit order. And here is market execution. We have the lot size, and we have to click sell by market, and we have this, and drag and drop as usual. Yes, of course. And inside the chart, we can also cancel or modify or cross position by simply going and right click on it and then hit cancel or cross position. Yes, it will cross completely, and there are numerous ways to do this. The third method is by coming here to market watch. And by the way, on the market watch you can hide, show, and you can customize it however you want. You can sort them and see different sectors of the instrument or the symbols in the provided by the broker, and you can show all. In this case, let me showing all, and we are inside USD CHF pair, and we can come here and right click, and then also new order appear and click on it. The same window opens for the opening new order. And also another way for quick trading is coming here in this corner and click on it, and then you see the sell order and buy order, and we have to add the position size. For in this case, let's take 0.01 and then click buy, and you see the order is immediately added, and we can have the TP up and stop loss down. This is how it works, and there's are the common methods for opening new order on MetaTrader 5. So how to install a new indicator or install new expert advisors in MT5. So first of all, you must have your expert advisor or robot or indicator ready. We have to come here to file and open data folder, and then come to MKR5 and go inside expert advisors, and after here in expert advisors you have to copy and paste your file or your robot inside here. For our case, we have already downloaded the expert advisor. In this case, we are using market scanner. By the way, this is our built tool on TradingVerseHub, and you can grab it on our website and copy it and then paste it, or come here after copy it, come here to data folder and then hit, and then you go inside expert advisor and then paste and then close. Come back here to navigator and go to expert and refresh. Market scanner is here, boom, is here, and you can drag and drop inside the chart, and then is installed. As you see here, expert advisor is installed and it's visible. You see it's loading and initializing. So the same for indicators. First of all, you have to come to your indicators and copy, and then you go to file and then open data folder, and then go to MKR5 and then go to indicators and then paste it here and close, and back to navigator and refresh the indicators and load it to the chart like this, and you see the indicator is added. That's how we add the new indicator in MT5. So I think this is enough for MetaTrader 5 tutorial, and we will keep just releasing new videos about trading, about the platforms like this. And MetaTrader 5 is really huge and big software, but these are enough for the starter or for the beginner traders to just start trading with MetaTrader 5. So we are TradingVerseHub. We have a lot of things to bring to you. Visit our website, TradingVerseHub. Grab the trading robots we are bringing. Grab everything. See the courses we are having on our website and different tools to support traders and a lot of the information to support traders. Hasta la vista.